how I earn $150 from this branding, and this is the logo. So here you can see this was from a buyer, so he ordered me for $150 on Fiverr. So I have completed it. So he just gave me the logo, Tahsin Best Food. This was his company name. Then he said I need a logo and brand identity. Today I will talk about brand identity. So here you can check lots of birds. They are just same color and one is different. So this is the brand. So if you want to highlight yourself, if you want to develop your brand just to looking like this, so you'll have to follow some basic rules. You'll have to hire a best designer. So from identity to impact, we shape brands that resonate and start your brand journey today with Anti's Kingdom. So I will show you today. So I made this for him. So let's check out what actually I have made for him. Here you can see that I have made the logo Tahsin Best Food. First of all, I would like to describe logo, right? So here you are watching just a logo. This line and this line and this line, these are minimalist T, first letter of Tahsin and T. And then I made agriculture shapes, some leaf here, and with the shape of this. And then I made this logo, Tahsin Best Food. So I made this, and then I show mock-ups on a field, then a business card and color combinations, and on a mobile phone. And here you can see a vegetables man's. He is showing the and even a wooden design. So and a billboard on a solid background color and bags. So how it looks. So then if you make a poster like this, so first of all I would like to show you something. Check this one. This is the poster. I think nobody will love this. And this one, this is also same. Here new season. So what is it? On a black and white, just an image, but not proper presentations here. And he is something selling and company name and some convenience and lots of informations here. He wants to show his design proper way, but this first one and second third one, this is not perfect. So if you want to see this here, this is the best. And everyone, I think everyone will love this one, because these presentations, color combinations and product presentations, everything is perfect. So here I have made according to the logo Tahsin Best Food. So I have created this banner, eat fresh, live better, and nice combinations with a man. He's showing vegetables. So this company is representing his vegetable, and he want to sell. They want to sell best foods. That's what I am trying to focus here. So go to the next page. Here you can see a nice flyer. This is the best. I think I have tried to present it to them. Tahsin Best Food. And third one, you can see here a nice mock-up presentations and what actually they want to sell, how they want to reach the customer. Here are product packagings I have shown, and a nice color combinations, and even they embroider this logo on a bag. So how it looks, I have just give them idea on a bottle and a package and a handkerchiefs. So on a board. Then if they want to combine this with a sticker and bag and bottle and the food beverage, how will it look on restaurant. So I have made them this. Then you can see here the best beautiful way I have tried to show them the brand identity. And then you can take here nice presentations, and even here if the basket and t-shirt and on a wall, and even a basket and something like this, and how it look on a shop front, and even shop glasses, and they wear the t-shirt and nice branding, they are showing the branding. And then I have they created these mock-ups. So on a wall the big font size Tahsin Best Food, and here also a company they are trying to build. So next they are talking about the something like their brand identity, and something like the grow up business growing up how. So this is the meeting of, and this is the another meeting. This person is uh, uh, talking each other, organic flour, and then here a brand identity. So you can see here a bag, um, nice tie and nice cap. So some ornaments here. So this is the, I have tried to match color and brand fonts and brand everything. So here is stationery, Tahsin Best Food corporate collections here, pen. They have, actually they have the full brand, and they want to reach the customers properly, and they have the brand value. And now they are celebrating annual functions. So they are celebrating, and these celebrations will go on the banner and festoon flyer billboard. Some people will enjoy this, they all know about their uh, branding. So that's all. So actually I have Nurujjaman Tahsin Hriday. It's my if you want to find me, then b.net/Nurujjaman Hriday. So here is my uh, Behance portfolio. So here you can check out my work, and even I will show about my qualities, and I'm sure you'll love my design work. Here you can check another branding. This is my company name. Let's check this out. uh, how I built my Antis Kingdom. Antis Kingdom, NTA's Kingdom, it's a logo name. So NTA's means Nurujjaman Tahsin Hriday. This is the short letters of my name. So Antis Kingdom means Nurujjaman Tahsin Hriday's kingdom. So I will talk this another time. So here, and if you want to check out me on YouTube, this is my NTS Kingdom YouTube channel. So here you will get lots of informations. I have an agency, and most of the videos here I have seen, so you can check out them. And then I have Facebook. So what actually I create: a logo design, brand style guide, brand identity, social media marketing, and stationery design, and digital marketing agencies I have. And also have some skills about YouTube SEO expert. I am Google Ads and Shopify store design, Shopify expert, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram ads. And then NTS Kingdom is my brand. So I hope that you will get the best design branding for you. So if you want to connect with me, of course, I hope start your brand journey today with NTS Kingdom. I'm sure you will be totally different persons like this, and you'll have the brand identity like this, and other will be similar, but you will be the most popular to them, and they will follow you. Thank you so much. So I would like, if please kindly share my video and like and comments if you have anything else, and if you want to build your brand identity, then connect with me.